Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll answer the question, does Hulu offer a free trial in 2025? If you're curious about trying Hulu before committing to a subscription, we've got all the details for you. Let's get started. Hulu's free trial in 2025. Is it available? As of 2025, Hulu no longer offers a standard free trial for new customers. While Hulu did provide a 7-day free trial in previous years, this option is no longer available for most users. Hulu has decided to remove the free trial, which means you'll need to sign up for one of their subscription plans to get started. Alternative ways to try Hulu for free. Even though the standard free trial is gone, there are still a few ways to access Hulu without paying upfront. Hulu Plus Disney Plus Bundle. If you're a new customer to the Hulu Plus Disney Plus bundle, you may be eligible for a free trial that covers both Hulu and Disney Plus. This is a great way to test out Hulu alongside Disney Plus and ESPN Plus if you're interested in those services. Hulu with Spotify Student Plan. Students who subscribe to Spotify Premium for Students can get Hulu for free as part of the bundle. This option lets you enjoy Hulu's ad-supported plan without paying for it, as long as you maintain your student status and Spotify subscription. Special promotions. Hulu occasionally runs promotions where you can get discounted rates or a limited time trial. Keep an eye on Hulu's website or sign up for their newsletter to stay updated on any new offers. Conclusion. In 2025, Hulu no longer offers a free trial for new subscribers. However, you can still try Hulu through bundles like Hulu Plus Disney Plus or with a Spotify student plan. Always check for special promotions to make the most of your Hulu experience. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and tips. Thanks for watching.